and they all looked at me like I was from Mars and I had 10 heads. If you're a fan of Mark Wahlberg, you may have seen a trend like going around TikTok where people are like shocked that Mark Wahlberg, the actor, is the Mark Wahlberg, like Marky Mark, Good Vibrations Mark Wahlberg, but he is. If you've been following my story times, you know that I used to edit a magazine called Tutti Frutti. It was right out of college. I spent a lot of time with New Kids on the Block and Donnie Wahlberg. I sort of helped him launch Mark's career by putting Mark in the pages of my magazine and spending a lot of time with Mark. So even before Mark even thought about a career in music or becoming a rapper or an actor, I was spending time with him when he was just Donnie's little brother. And I remember in this issue, there was an article about Donnie talking about he was going to produce an album for Mark. So of course I went to the studio when they were making the album because, I mean, why not? I was probably like 20 or 21 years old. I was super excited. It was a good opportunity. I was helping him with his career. So I was in the studio and they were recording a song called Wild Side. And it was like a little bit of a rap. And Mark was sort of like half singing, half rapping. The words, please forgive me because I am terrible. I can't rap or sing, but it was like, Annie was a high school cheerleader, pom-poms and bobby socks and no girl was sweeter, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. She did drugs and she died. And there was a line that was, now she's gone, a former valedictorian. But I was in the studio and Mark kept saying, now she's gone, a former valedictorian. I was sitting in the other room saying, my gosh, what do I do? I was like shy. Do I say something? Do I not say something? But you know, when you're in the studio, they do the lines over and over and over and over. And he just kept saying, valedictorian, valedictorian, valedictorian. So finally I like knock on the studio door. Hi, it's Lisa, or it's Tutti. They used to call me Tutti. So I'm like, excuse me, the word is valedictorian. It's not valedictorian. And they all looked at me like I was from Mars and I had 10 heads and I don't know. And I was like, no, the word is actually valedictorian. But that was before cell phones and that was before Google and before ChatGPT and nobody could look it up. So they just recorded the song wrong. And sure enough, if you have a copy of the original album, you will hear him say, now she's gone, a former valedictorian. Maybe I could play it for you now.
Now she's gone, a former valedictorian.
Okay, but then they did the video on MTV and they did what's known as ADR. So they like looped in the correct word. So in the video, they say valedictorian. Maybe I'll play that for you here.
Now she's gone, a former valedictorian. Ended up.
I tried my best, but I failed. I guess I was not forceful enough. I wasn't as pushy as I am now. That's my story. Mark, if you're out there, you could verify this. You know I'm right. I'll be back soon with more stories. I promise.